to eat a little healthier, but you still want your food to taste amazing, then you're in luck. Today, we're going to make healthy food gourmet with chicken lettuce wraps. Now recently, I was asked if my food tasted as good as it looked. So I asked a couple of loyal viewers from the show to sit down and try a meal for themselves. And this is what they had to say.
And this food right here.
It's amazing. Oh.
No one talks like that. Are you crazy?
You gotta do the laugh. Yes!
Can we begin?
Yeah, I'm not recording any of this. This is just, I figured you guys were warming up.
Mmm.
That is the fakest ever.
Mmm.
Why go at the camera?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Mom. I can't believe we're actually eating it. But you went for it, so I was like, oh, we're committed.
That's right.
I'm gonna go now.
Love it.
Now with rave reviews like that, you can believe me when I say that eating healthy doesn't have to be bland or boring. If you're looking to cut out all the junk without cutting out any of the flavor, all you have to do is think outside the box. And that's exactly what we're going to do today by making a flavor-packed chicken lettuce wrap. So here's what you'll need. Okay, so now that we have our prep done, all we have to do is cooking and assembly. Now believe me when I say the hardest part of this dish is fighting off the urge to eat them all in one sitting. Now that being said, let's get cooking. And there's just one example of how eating healthy can be quick, easy, and most importantly, flavorful. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.